What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy MW2 back with another banger video. And in this video, we are in a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland, and we're just gonna do a quick POV night drive for you guys. Nice steering wheel, equipped with blind spot monitoring over there. I'm gonna let you guys see it once I get to another car. Lighting inside this car is definitely nice. It's like LED lighting, definitely bright. Like nice steering wheel. Got wood. Is that wood grain? Yeah, wood grain right here, and wood grain throughout the whole car actually. Slow it down, turn that lighting off. I know you guys see Frozen right there. Don't mind don't mind that my daughter was in this car with me, so yeah, we was jamming the Frozen. Let me get over. The cool thing about this car is it lets you know the speed limit right here, man. It's pretty cool, like right there. Definitely a nice touch. Nice LED headlights in the front so you guys can see a lot. Blind spot monitoring right there. And you got all your modes down here with the rock, snow mode, sport, and auto, and all that. And this car is definitely equipped with lane keep assist. So like you can see like the car in the middle right there, and see I'm like not in my lane that much, so the steering wheel starts to vibrate a little bit to let you know you're not in your lane, like wake up. Definitely nice, smooth ride. This car is equipped with like a V6 engine, I believe. A 3.6 liter. I'm gonna go check. Well, I'm gonna correct myself on the screen, but I know it's a V6. I'm going over the speed limit a little bit. Sorry about that. I'm gonna try to get over it. Let's see. Turn on sport mode real quick, so I gotta get over real quick. Let's see. Let you guys know sporty feel real quick. Yes, indeed. This car get up. Got some nice power to it. Now you guys can hear the engine a little bit. Let me turn that back off. Put it in auto. One cool thing about this car I noticed is like, just like the Grand Cherokee L's, you can change the ride height of it too. So it's definitely nice. So every time you like switch modes, like if you go to snow mode or rock mode, I think it might go a little higher. And sport mode, I think it might drop a little bit, but I'm not sure. I'm not too sure what the correct ride height in each mode. But yeah, definitely nice touch. Just giving you guys a nice night POV drive of the car. For those who want this car or haven't been in a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2023 yet, hope you guys enjoy it. And you can change the screen too. It's like a lot of stuff to the screen. The screen setups and all that. Messages. No music playing right now. All of that. That's pretty cool too. And your mileage, gas mileage, and all that stuff. Tire pressure. Definitely nice. See if I can turn on the light so let you guys see it. The full LED interior lighting, like this little sunlight right here. See, it brightens up the car a lot. I like that a lot, man. I feel like every car needs LED interior lights. My Durango doesn't have that, but it's all right. Definitely a nice touch. And then when you guys turn it off, it like just fades away. See, turn it off, and it just dims. Definitely nice. And this car is equipped with paddle shifters too. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's definitely a nice touch to it too. They speeding now. Definitely nice ride quality. Definitely very smooth. This car feels very luxurious. Definitely does. With wood grain throughout the whole car. 2-row seating. A moonroof. Is it called moonroof? Panoramic sunroof? One of them, but uh-oh, stay in my lane. There you go. I'm gonna let you guys hear the sport mode one more time too, because I gotta get over. Let me put it down there. Sport mode. See the screen switch? Oh, he got him my way. Never mind. This car is floating, man. I love it. I love it. Put it back in auto. Definitely nice, man. I love this car. All the buttons over here and stuff. Nice screen. And down here, you can put your phone down here, or you can cover it like that. So it gives you a nice little hidden feature. Nice James Bond type feature. And just open it back up like that. Wait, hold on. Messing up. There you go. Definitely nice car. So this video is just gonna be a nice night POV drive, and then I'm gonna do another video in the daytime with a daytime POV drive, and I'm gonna play music in that one too. This one's just gonna be like straight quiet night driven. So stay tuned for that one. Got your lane keep assist buttons and all that stuff right over here for the phone call buttons too. Definitely nice, definitely nice. The Grand Cherokees have always been great cars. When they updated it too, I definitely love it even more. It gives me more of a more of a boxier feel too, in my opinion. And the exterior color is black, just to let you guys know. Love black cars, love black cars. Also, the car is equipped, I think, with the Overland feature. It is equipped with heated and cooled seats and a heated steering wheel as well, which I got on right now because my hands are cold. Definitely nice. That's about it, guys. Just a quick night POV drive for you for the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. I think the MSRP for this car, I think it starts at $58,000. I believe, I could be wrong. And then I know the sticker price on this car says $60,000 too. This is a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. But that is it for this video. It's your boy MW2. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for the daytime POV drive. And we out here, y'all. Stay blessed.